Hey guys, welcome back to yet another interesting video of Quick Guide, and in this video I am going to show you how to remove objects in SnapEdit. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now, in order to remove objects by using your SnapEdit, you just simply have to open SnapEdit application at first. And after opening the SnapEdit application, you will get to see so many options into this homepage. Now you just simply have to tap into this remove objects button in order to remove the object. And after tapping into there, just simply choose the picture where you want to remove some random objects. For example, I'm opening this image into here, and now in order to remove some objects you can use two options. The first one is auto and second one is manual. Just simply select the object either manually or automatically. Then after doing this very easy step, you just simply have to select all the objects which you want to remove. Then after that, click to remove button. And now the process is done. This way you can easily remove objects in SnapEdit. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.